Hello and welcome. My name is Shannon Cecilia, and I'm an energy mindset mentor. And today, the video that I am sharing with you is a bit of a review of one of the tools that I bring into my personal and professional realm. And this is the beautiful, amazing Oracle deck from the lovely Joanna Hunter. This is the Divine Planning Abundant Profits Oracle deck, which is the deck and this amazing guidebook. Now, one thing I would like to point out, this is a wonderful box to store the deck. It has a magnetic clasp to hold your deck and guidebook. And I love how it fits very comfortably in a bag or on my shelf. So it's quick and easy to get to. Magnetic open. There's a lovely note from Joanna here that you will see when you purchase the deck and it arrives. And the amazing guidebook. And it has lots of juicy information in here. Very helpful. One of the things that I was pleasantly surprised to see inside is the amazing how-tos that are included. And the different spreads to use. The deep dive spread, right? Tidbits of juiciness in here. Asking questions, right? So what are some questions that you could bring in for further inquiry about your journey? And there are keywords, journaling questions, and affirmation. And without sharing too much, because there's great surprises within, here is one of the cards that came up for me. And this is number 12, and this hidden light. And I'll put it in for you to look at. Where are you hiding your light and greatness? Who is not being served by you playing small? Where are you afraid to shine brightly? Who do you perceive will suffer? So we each have light within us. And for the inquiry, is it hidden or is it shining? And ask some questions and journal on that. So that was it. I just wanted to share. I love this Oracle deck for my business, and the guidebook has beautiful tips and suggestions and how-tos. It's an amazing deck. I'd like to show you that it's gold on the edges. It's a beautiful card deck for tending to the amazing you in your business. That's it for now. See you next time. Magically abundant blessings, infinite and unconditional gratitude and love. Ciao for now.